Here I am, Arif ma'am. Today I will teach you comprehension. First, I will tell you a story, then, we will discuss some questions from this story. Once there was a little red hen who lived with her chicks. One day, the little red hen saw something bright and golden. It was a wheat grain. She asked the cat, the rat, and the goose to help her plant it. All of them said no. So she did it all by herself. The little red hen asked her friends to help her thresh it once it was ripe. But all of them said no. Then she asked her friends to help her grind it and make flour from it, but all of them said no. Then it was time to bake the flour into a delicious bread. The little red hen again asked her friends for help, but the cat, the goose, and the rat all said no. Once the bread was ready, the little red hen asked who would love to eat it. The cat said, "Me." The goose said, Me." The rat said, "Me." "No," said the little red hen, and ate the bread with her chicks. Now, children, we will discuss the difficult words in this story. The first very difficult word for you is the word is thresh. Thresh means a way to separate the grains from a crop. Means दाने गेहूं के दाने को जब थ्रेश करके उसको ग्राइंड उसको भूसे में से निकाल करके अलग किया जाता है, उसको कहते हैं थ्रेश. द प्रोसेस टू रिमूव द ग्रेन फ्रॉम द क्रॉप is known as threshing. Thresh. Understood? The second word is ripe. Ripe means when the grain, जब ग्रेन तैयार हो जाता है, पक जाता है, फल पक जाता है, तैयार हो जाता है, राइप हो जाता है, उसको कहते हैं राइप. द वर्ड. थर्ड वर्ड इज ग्राइंड. ग्राइंड मीन्स to crush something and make it into powder. Like when we grind the wheat, what we get? We get flour. गेहूं को पीसने के बाद में क्या मिलता हमें? आटा. The powder of grain. To crush something and make it into a powder. The meaning of grinders. So now let us discuss the first question. It is related to story. The first question is true and false. You have to write T in front of the sentence true, and which the true sentence you have to mention T in front of them, and then false you have to write F in front of the sentence, the false. The first sentence is the little red hen found a grain of rice. You go through the story, find out what little red hen found a grain of rice or wheat. See the story. So, is it correct sentence or false sentence? Is it true sentence or false sentence? You have to mention here. The B, her friends were very helpful. Were her friend very helpful? You know, go through the story. All the friends, they denied to help her. So what will be the answer? It will be false. Then the cat threshed the wheat. You all must be knowing. Go through the story. Who threshed the wheat? Cat didn't thresh the wheat. So the answer will be false. The goose baked the bread. You go through the story. Who baked the bread? The red hen herself baked the bread. So the answer will be false. The little red hens ate the bread with her chicks. Yes, who ate the bread? The complete bread. Who ate the total bread? The red hens and her chicks. So this answer is true. So you have to write true. Now second question is complete the sentences with the word from the given story. The very first is, one day the little red hen saw something. What did she see? She saw a golden plant. You go through the story, you will get the sentence and write down here. Second, B is, she asked her friends to help her. After that, you have to complete the sentence. What will be the sentence? And third, then she asked her friends to help her grind it. After that, you have to complete the sentence from the story. Then it was time to bake the. Again, go through the story and complete the sentence. No, said the little red hen, and no, said the little hen, and ate the bread with her chicks. This is the last sentence. Stay safe. Thank you, children.